So hello friends, in this video we are going to create EPS Enterprise Project Structure in Primavera. EPS is a company structure. For example, we can see in this flowchart, uh, Vision Corporation is the company name, and under this corporation there is two departments. First department is Application Implementation Project and the second department is Technology Project. So So this flowchart represent the EPS, that is Enterprise Project Structure. Now we are going to create this EPS structure in Primavera, because in Primavera the first step for any preparation of project schedule is to create EPS. Then after that, uh, then after that the rest process is going to be started. So let's start to create EPS. So at first we have to open PC Professional, that is Primavera. Let's minimize it. Then you have to write the login name and the passport. I have just set the passport to admin. So then after writing this, just simply click on this connect, and then it will take a little time to open a Primavera. Then this type of dialog box will appear. Then you have to simply just click on OK. Then it will open a Primavera screen in a while. Yeah, so this is the first screen you will see after opening Primavera. So in this video we are going to create only EPS Enterprise Project Structure. So for creating the Enterprise Project Structure, simply you have to close this interface, and for closing this interface, then you have to go to File, then you have to choose the option Close All and click on Yes. Then after closing this, just you have to go to the Enterprise, and from this Enterprise you have to select the Enterprise Project Structure. Then you have to simply click on Add, and you have to write the company name. For example, in our case, the company name is Vision Corporation. So let's write the company name as a Vision Corporation. Then after writing the Vision Corporation, we have to move this EPS to the top, because this is the independent company. So yeah, so for moving this, simply you have to select this, then you have to click here to shift to the left. Then after shifting left, just you have to move to the top. So, and here you can also write the EPS ID. EPS ID is simply a ID given to this EPS name, that is the company name. For example, in your classroom you have the certain roll number assigned to your name. So that roll number will be the EPS ID and your name will be the EPS name. So for example, in this case we are going to assign the EPS ID as B1. Then after writing the B1, you have to simply click outside Then after writing the EPS ID, then you have to form these two department under this corporation, because we are creating the enterprise project structure and this is a company name, and under this company there is two department: application implementation project and technology project. So let's create in the Primavera. So for creating the department under this Vision Corporation, you have to simply click on the add button. Then you have to write the department name. So in our case, the department name is Application Implementation Project. Application Implementation Project, and write the ads B 1.1, then click on add, then write the company name as department name as technology project. So double click here and write technology project, then double click here and write the EPS ID B 1.2, then click anywhere. Then you have to move this on top of this, because it is 1.1, and after 1.1 there will be 1.2, so move to this top. So in this way we have just created the enterprise project structure. So Vision Corporation is the company name, and under this Vision Corporation we have created the department, that is application implementation project and technology project. So then after creating this, you have to simply click on the close button. So in this way we have created the EPS structure of this in the Primavera software. So that's all for this video. In the next video we are going to cover the next topic for the Primavera tutorial. Thank you, and please subscribe the channel.